Welcome to Sheer Inspirations, guys. Today I'm going to be planting Astilbe. This is a pink variety. I have a shaded area in my garden that I've been trying to find something that is a perennial that I can do cut flowers from, and I have not planted this before, so this is my first time. I've gotten some rhizomes, two plant rhizomes or divisions, whatever you want to call them, and via one of my plant exchanges. I have, as you can see, the drill auger. The link to purchase this would be in the description box below. There's also a Facebook group that you can join if you like. Let's get started. Something that I wanted to mention, guys, sometimes when you purchase something at the store and have it planted in your garden for a while, it changes color. And I've had this happen. It's probably due to the acidic soil or alkaline soil. Don't worry, it's okay. I personally am not so concerned about it. If I purchase something or am sent something, so for example, the lady that I got this from said that when she purchased it, it was red. However, it comes out pink, so I'm okay with that. That's no problem. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, put this down. Let me know if you have a shaded area in your garden and what you like to plant there, flower-wise, cut flower-wise. Here's another one. From what I've read, it does not need to be planted very deep. The only thing that I planted about 2 inches deep is the one that actually has something hanging out of it, so I know exactly where it is. The other rhizome, because it didn't have much, I just barely buried it, so it's not going to have a hard time coming up. And that was the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you found it somehow helpful. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.